I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pakistani soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including chicken or lentils, and a variety of aromatic spices. Next, prepare your vegetables by chopping them into small, uniform pieces, ensuring they are ready for cooking. Finally, make sure you have a large, sturdy pot available, as this will be essential for simmering your delicious soup to perfection. To build the foundational flavors, begin by sautéing finely chopped onions and minced garlic in a bit of oil until they become fragrant and beautifully golden brown. Then, introduce your protein, whether it's tender chicken pieces or a hearty mix of lentils, cooking until lightly browned. Finally, stir in a generous blend of traditional Pakistani spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander to infuse a rich, authentic taste. Now pour in enough broth or water to fully submerge all your ingredients, ensuring everything is well covered. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the soup cook slowly for at least 30 minutes, or until it reaches your desired consistency, becoming wonderfully thick and flavorful. For the perfect finish, taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed, ensuring it's just right. Garnish each serving with fresh cilantro, a bright squeeze of lemon juice, or some crispy fried onions for added texture and flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Serve your homemade Pakistani soup hot and enjoy this comforting, aromatic dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.